akhanyi yabo usiyomba uthi akanalo amaqiniso akubona into asitshela engisho ukuthi abantu base South Africa asibathatheni abantu besifazane baseSwazini but not ngoba ngempela sifuna ukuzoba supplementa as abasebenzi ngoba ngempela indlela abantu besifazane baseSwazini abagqilazwa ngayo eSouth Africa abantu so called ama South Africans bethi bayabathanda kodwa umthola ukuthi lo muntu usidayisa tech shop yakhe kuvuka ngo4 lo muntu ayovulela tech shop lo muntu udayisa etavern lo muntu umenza yonke into umngakhanqabile ukuyenza asike sizame ngendlela uma singabathanda abantu asibayeke uma bathanda abantu mthathe eSwazini umlinganise ku same bar with a wife who's a South African because akuyona into esebefuna this is babudoda namhlanje ngizofuna ukuthi sikhulume ngento esibiza ukuthi parastasia iparastasia it is so bad because unetendency okufaka isandla ephaketheni sikhuluma ngeparastasia uyakwazi ukufaka isandla ephaketheni ukhipha into ukuthi mase kuba nekhadi lasebank because of iparastasia awazi ukuza ukuthi ngithathe nekhadi lasebank wena uthathe into ukuthi uyithathe ikheze emoto but mekuphuma nekubamba nekhadi lasebank awukwazi ukusenza because of parastasia ezandleni zakho mase sizoyibheka ke lento ukuthi sinenye into esiyibiza ngokuthi i-neuroencephalopathic deficiency syndrome ngisho ke phela akwazi kusho udokotela madoda kuhlaliwe ngathi madoda hey babudokotela la eminyangeni ufuna sizikhulise ngolwazi ngayo yonke indlela sizikhulise ngamakhambi sizikhulise ngokomoya sizikhulise ngokolwazi lasentshonalanga sizikhulise ngechem ngeChinese medicine as well so that sizokwazi ukuthi ama-China menza ukuthi imithi yayenza sikhulise TIBB Pagan medicine lonke lezo zinto because we are doctors we have to gather all that information and bring it towards us sizoba zinyanga zangempela ke njengamanje ngithi wena isho egama ethi neuroencephalopathic deficiency syndrome awuwazi ukulibiza lelo gama and awazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani funa mina ngiqale phansi ngiyeke lento engenzayo ngichazele ukuthi yini lonto asiyichazeke neuro mthambo from head encephalopathic deficiency syndrome yilana usuthi uma uqhuzuka kutshelwa abantu ukuthi ayingathi kanti ulimele lana sekuphuma igazi awuzo yilana uhudula uphaqo usubheka eceleni awuzo inyawo zakho zisuke like more like disconnected with you because of neuro deficiency syndrome ngalo ndlela lapho bantu labo siyakwazi ukuthi sibalaphe kuyahlukana ke neuroperipheral deficiency syndrome siyakwazi ukuthi ulaphe lo muntu usuke ezolapheka ke engisho ukuthi